I twist and turn the shiny gears, fixing engines far and near, designing parts that spin and roar, wheels and robots, so much more. I'm a mighty machine maker, zoom and go, building things that move, you know. With bolts and tools and brilliant plans, I help machines do all they can. From scooters small to rockets high, I help machines to jump and fly. With every part I check and test, to make sure engines run their best. I'm a mighty machine